Hi guys, we will discuss the awesome places in Iceland. Before we begin, let us support this channel, in order to continue to provide the best information, by way of comment, like and share if this video is interesting to you. And press the subscribe button and a picture of a bell to stay connected and get the latest information about the channel. Let's get started. 6 amazing sights in traveling to Iceland. The Secret Life of Walter Mitty, the James Bond and A Game of Thrones is some Hollywood films and popular TV series that takes a setting of natural beauty view Iceland. That is one proof that Iceland became famous and is one of the countries which have the wonderful landscapes and charming. The temperature in the country could reach below 0 degrees. If you've been wanting to traveling to Iceland, 7 this mandatory tourist sites you visit. The number 1. The Highlands of Iceland. Highlands is one of the largest areas in Iceland are uninhabited. If your destination to Iceland is to climb the mountain, you have to come to the Highlands. Due to its natural beauty is still very well preserved. He said, the Highlands is one of paradise for climbers because it has a very natural landscapes. Mountains with the green grass, snow-capped mountain peaks, the canyon, or gorge with a cool breeze blowing. But unfortunately, we could not hike the Highlands area at any time, because at the time the snow season areas of the Highlands is not accessible unless a jeep tour. Number 2. Thingvellir National Park. Thingvellir National Park not only became one of the most popular tourist attractions but also most important to Iceland. Yup. The Thingvellir National Park is the site of historical, cultural, and geological importance to Iceland. Because of its natural beauty and authenticity, the National Park of Thingvellir is designated as a World Cultural Heritage Site by UNESCO and should be protected. This national park is still located in Golden Circle, namely the popular tourist routes in Iceland. Number 3. Gofoss. Gofoss waterfall is located in the northern part of Iceland and is one of the attractions most visited by the tourists. The name Gofoss means waterfall of the gods. The waterfall Gofoss has easy access to accessible by tourists. There are 2 sides of the waterfall that you can enjoy, namely east and west side. If you want to enjoy the scenery and want to get the best view for photos Gofoss waterfall and river flowing behind it, you can head to the east side. But Number 4. Eldron Lava Field. All natural attractions in Iceland does look very beautiful and nice if photographed, but arguably one of the most photogenic and Instagrammable is a lava field Eldron residing in the northern part of Iceland. Eldron Lava Field is a lava fire from the eruption of Loki in Iceland, and was recorded as the most intense eruption in the world after Mount Tambora in Indonesia. The former fire Lodnut and also the mouth of the crater currently has green moss covered, so it looks like a green carpet stretching. Many say if Eldron Lava Field it looks like the world of fairies. Number 5. Lómagnúpur. Another one of the most photogenic and Instagrammable in Iceland, Lómagnúpur. The mountain is located in southern Iceland, has the form of a very unique and iconic. And Mount this Lómagnúpur has views that are so amazing because there are surrounding the lake and also natural stone. To get to this place, you can depart via Reykjavik and then headed over to Kirkjubæjarklaustur with travel time for a little over 3 hours by car. Number 6. Dinjandi Waterfall. Another waterfall that you visit while traveling to Iceland. Yup, Waterfall Dinjandi is one of the grandest and most beautiful waterfall that is located in the West Fjord. Thanks to its beauty, the waterfall got its nickname by local people as the Jewel of West Fjord. This forms a waterfall Dinjandi is unique vibe, because when viewed from a distance the waterfall look like a bride's veil. To reach the falls, we have to do a bit of climbing in approximately 15 minutes. But not to worry, because during the journey we will be treated to the beautiful scenery. Thank you for watching this video until it is finished.